Welcome in the kitchen. So glad y'all are here. It's supper time. Again, it is. Hope you all have had a good day wherever you may be and you're staying warm. It's cold here. It's supposed to be really, really, really cold. Tomorrow night down to I think 3 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really cold. Really cold. Oh, I left our hamburger meat. Let me get it out. Alright, here's our hamburger meat. We are going to make for supper tonight a stuffed pepper casserole. It's a twist on having stuffed peppers because peppers are so expensive and they are part of my family will not eat the whole pepper after it's stuffed. They just eat the middle, and I think that's wasteful. So instead of stuffed peppers, I make it into a casserole and I layer my peppers in there with it. I'm going to turn y'all down so you can see my skillet. Alright, there's the skillet. I've got the oven turned on and there's a skillet in there. There it is. I forgot I put that in there for just right this minute. Let's see if I can get it out without burning my hand off. That just helped to season it a little bit better. So in here, I've got about a pound or a little more of ground beef. And y'all know what I always add. Let me get this one. These hadn't been busted up yet. I'll add some celery. There's the oven, it's good and hot now. I'm going to add some mushrooms. And some onions. Oh, it's already smelling good. And some chopped peppers. Have to bust them up after you freeze them, and then they won't refreeze back together. Quite a few peppers, because after all it is a stuffed pepper casserole, right? Okay. All this down in there cooking. I'm going to add a little bit of corn to this, and I do not have any peas, or I would add those. So, let that keep cooking right there. I'll make you a can of corn. There's just a can of corn. Look at all those pretty colors. And when this all kind of gets cooked, the meat's kind of browned up good, let's add just a little bit of seasoning to this. And I'm going to use this Nor beef bouillon. Okay. And I'm going to add about a heaping tablespoon. And then I'll taste it after I get everything added and decide if we need to add a little bit more. Come over here and talk to them. Come on over here. Come here. Right here. Look right here.
Say hi, friends.
Right here. Stand right here. Now tell them.
Say hi, friends.
Okay, now we can get back to our supper here, y'all. It's been cooking. I had to stop and take some stuff off the camera to make more space. But all right, I'm gonna add in a can of tomato paste. This is a small 6-ounce can of tomato paste.
Do want to go the scale breakaway gas station?
No. And we're gonna add a cup of rice. That's just dry, it's not already cooked. And we are going to add a quart of tomatoes, our home canned tomatoes.
I'm gonna go the funny place. Gas station.
There we go.
Do want to go the herb way?
Dump that right in there. That'll help cook that rice. Yes, it will. That'll cook that rice, all that liquid.
Do you want to go the Jonesboro?
Well, he's wanting to go everywhere. We've been out today, and it's snowing, and it's going to keep snowing.
Do you want to go
Just a little bit of water
Woods
there.
Creek Road gas station?
No, we're not going anywhere. All right, let's get this all mixed up good. Because I'll flush it out onto the stove to make a mess so I have something to clean up. Y'all know how that goes. Trying to get that tomato paste stirred in there, and then I'm going to taste it, see if it needs any more seasoning. And we may, since we added all these tomatoes. But we'll see. I'm trying to get that tomato paste to cook up there. All right, let's give it a taste here. We might add just a smidgen more. About a teaspoon. Because like I said, you don't want to get it too seasoned, because then let's start putting our casserole together. Turn y'all around here. That's right, here's our dish. It always looks like there's something in that dish, but there's not. Actually, I'm gonna put the dish right here. Turn y'all back around. Okay. Here's our ladle. We're going to put us a good layer of this right in here on the bottom. Y'all, this freezes well too. You freeze it right in this state right here. Freeze it right like this. And here's where we come in with our stuffed peppers. Right here. We're just putting rings. All right, there we go. Now then, we're going to cover the rest of this up. This is also very budget friendly. It is a good freezer meal. It's let Coco out. I don't know if she's in the laundry room or if she's outside. She's outside. There she is. Now then, the rice in this is not cooked, y'all, so you've got to cook it till the rice gets done. And that rice will absorb a lot of this liquid. It should absorb most of it. All right, now then, we're going to put some cheese on top of it. And I've just chopped up some Velveeta here. You can use shredded cheddar. You can use sliced cheese. You can use whatever you want. And I just decided tonight I would like to have the Velveeta on it. They need to get us just a little bit more. Hold on. See how this does. We may need even a little bit more. Cover this up good here. All right, I believe by the time that spreads out, that'll be plenty. If I look at it in a few minutes and I feel like it needs some more, I'll throw some more in there. All right, 400-degree oven. Till your cheese is all melted good and your cheese is all melted and your rice is cooked, and it'll be yummy, 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 yummy. Okay, I'll be back when it gets done.
I
I just want to turn it back on, not scalding, but still turn it off well before 10 o'clock, so I didn't know when.
All right, y'all, here's our, I'm just gonna bring y'all down here. It's too heavy to pick up. There is our stuffed pepper casserole. I'm gonna get a big spoon here and show y'all what it looks like. Oh, it's hot. Look at this. Look at that yummy goodness. Yummy, yummy. We're gonna let it cool just a minute and then we're gonna go over and sit down and eat it because it's hot, hot, hot. So you all remember, as always, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.